In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the RMA app to put a new impact milestone into the system. You've got the menu button right here, and you can see new impact milestone there. You can also see the quick menu button down here for a milestone. You can use either one. So I'm going to do a new impact milestone. My name's already in there. The date of the log, if it's today's date, you just leave it blank and it'll automatically fill it for you. But let's say you're backlogging it and this happened 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to select 2 weeks ago and that'll put that date in there for me now. Now it bumps me down here to the ministry site. If it happened at this ministry site, great. If not, I can go ahead and select one of the other ministry sites that is in our system. Choose the young person. So we're going to say this is with Andrew. The current milestone for Andrew is first time decision to follow Jesus. That would be the current one that he's on. That means the next milestone is discipleship relationship. So that is the impact milestone that I'm choosing here. As you can see, this has all of the different milestones that we have, the impact milestones within our ministry. So discipleship relationship, that means we've entered into it and we started studying the Gospel of John is what I'm going to say that we're doing. And I just want to be able to remind myself about that, but also that this is the step that happened in Andrew's life. Now I can select a date of when I want a reminder for this. This one's really important because you don't want to miss out on something. So I know that I'm going to be getting together with Andrew again. We're actually doing it monthly, so I'm going to select a different month. We're going to say the 9th is the next time that we're getting together, and we're actually getting together at 4 p.m. So at 3 p.m. I'm going to get a push notification to remind myself about this particular milestone. I hit Save Milestone. It says, congrats on logging a new impact milestone with Andrew. Way to go. The next milestone to work towards is local fellowship. It's going to give you a reminder of what it is you're working towards next. Go ahead and hit the close there, and that is how you add a new impact milestone into the system. Looking forward to hearing how this particular app and this tool helps to improve your ministry as you serve kids in your area.